Triple P Productions. Welcome back, people. This is Miguel again, and we're going to do a review on a 2005 Ram SRT10. We're going to talk to an owner, so here we go. So man, tell us a little bit about your truck.
All right, man. Well, I got the 8.3 liter truck right here. It's a Ram 2005 Dodge. You know, it's a good little truck. It's a 10-cylinder truck. You know, 500 horsepower.
Oh shit. Okay. Go ahead and open this bad puppy up.
All right, man. So open this up. You can adjust your seats. You can adjust your pedals. There, you got the push start. The seats, they have the regular SRT10 seats, leather, and then they have the what is that, like suede or something, and it has the SRT10 embroidery right there. Man, she's clean. You got an infinity audio system, pretty clean sound. I got a quad cab, you know. Right now I got a mess in here because I was cleaning it the other day, but she got a lot of room back here, very clean. I keep it clean, you know, try my best. So let's see, 22-inch wheels on Netto's 420 tires, you know, they're pretty good. I got the my calipers, they're painted red from factory. What else? I got a straight pipe exhaust on it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a pipe. Just exhaust.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sir, any more questions? I got LEDs all on it as well.
All the way around?
LEDs, yeah. Everything but the hood, inside the hood. Yeah. All right.
pedo, a ver qué pedo. We're in the Taco Bell. What you gonna get?
Well, I'm gonna get a Baja Blast Freeze. What about you, man?
Baja Free as well. Baja Blast.
Blueberry? Yeah, strawberry freeze. Looks like good meat.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, how you doing? Do you have the Baja Blast Freeze? Do you have the Baja Blast Freeze?
No, we're out until our truck comes.
Which one are you available on?
Blue raspberry and wild berry.
Which one you want?
Wild raspberry. Yes.
Wild raspberry? The blue one? You want small? Can I get 2 small blue raspberries?
You want the blue one too?
Anything else?
That's it.
533 for the thing.
Thank you.
You want the blue one too?
Anything else?
That's it.
533 for the thing.
Alright, thank you.
Bro was like, oh, we're out.
What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you, too? I'm not a sidekick or anything, but I knew that was gonna happen. It's just like McDonald's. I love McDonald's food. Just sometimes their ice cream machine
It's not working.
it's not working.
All the time.
But then I see them pull out a big old cone. I'm like,
We're about to pull up and be like, yeah, we're out of the raspberry freeze too.
oh, right. Okay. Thank you. Here's yours. Oh, thank you.
Alright, it says chip error. I need you to remove it.
Chip.
it's
Chip.
not
Oh,
really
chip here? Oh, okay. Alright, thank you.
Chip.
It's not
Oh,
really
chip here?
error.
Oh, okay.
Alright, put it back in.
Alright.
We better get these free.
I did it?
You need a receipt?
Yes, please.
You said yes?
Yes. Alright, thank you very much. Yes.
What it tastes like? Man, it tastes pretty sour.
Not gonna lie to you. See, So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video of the SRT10 truck 2005, and subscribe, hit the like button, and watch us again, man. Until next time, with my boy.
Hey, I'll see y'all later. Thanks for
All right,
watching.
man.
Ace Boy out.
Yes,
Peace.
sir. All right.